Hey there guys, today I got a master padlock here for you. It's going to be 30mm in size. Here it is next to a Zippo lighter for a size comparison. This lock doesn't have any security pins in it, so I should be able to pick it open fairly easy. So this lock's got 4 pins in it, and the binding order of the pins is going to be the 4th pin, 3rd pin, 2nd pin, 1st pin. This is the back of the keyway and this is the front of the keyway. So I'm just going to stick my hook pick in here and go to the back of the keyway, and you should hear a click as each pin sets. So I'm going to go in here, back of the keyway, and find the 4th pin. There's a 4th pin set. Third. Second, and the 1st. So there it is, picked open, fairly easy. Hope you guys heard all the clicks on that one. I'll just leave them open. As always, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good one.